Britney Spears shared a video of herself flaunting some impressive dance moves as she puts middle finger up to the camera. The pop star, 41, was seen sporting an off-the-shoulder white crop top and blue snakeskin print bikini bottoms. The post shared with her 42 million followers comes after it was reported her ex-husband Kevin Federline, 45, and their sons Jaden James, 16, and Sean Preston, 17, are said to be safe in Hawaii amid the devastating wildfires. Kevin reportedly moved to Hawaii 2 weeks ago, according to Page 6, confirming the relocation was so his family could escape the public eye. Pregnant Rihanna breastfeeds son for new maternity underwear range. In her latest social media video, Britney oozed confidence as she flashed her gorgeous smile while she jumped and twirled around her luxurious lounge. Her blonde locks were pulled back in a ponytail before letting them loose as she moved around the room. Britney captioned the post, "Okay, so I was a little PD this day," along with a string of sad faces emojis. As she danced, she slapped her bottom and grabbed her body. Don't miss. Lily Allen's family thought she'd gone missing first time she had sex. Latest, botched star Terry Dubrow wife Heather saved his life after health scare. Marie Osmond goes ziplining with sweetheart husband she married twice, U.S. Towards the end of the video, she looked over her shoulder and put her middle finger up to the camera, then poked out her tongue. The toxic hitmaker often jumps onto her Instagram page to show off her dance skills. The post comes shortly after it was revealed her sons would be moving to Hawaii with their father. A source told TMZ that the children have not been affected by the recent devastation in Maui as they are living on a neighboring island. Kevin has had full custody of their 2 sons since 2008 following Britney's public breakdown. He made the decision to move from Los Angeles to the Rainbow State. TMZ reported that the family plans to initially rent while they search for a permanent residence on the island. Despite the big move, the outlet also reported Kevin encouraged his sons to see their mother before they left but did not want to force them. Sources also claimed Kevin is relieved Britney hasn't fought against the boys moving in court, feeling she's done the right thing by allowing them to relocate. Express.co.uk has contacted representatives for Britney Spears and Kevin Federline for comment.